If you love flavorful rice, this no-fry gizzard jollof rice will blow your mind. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a delicious and effortless no-fry gizzard jollof rice. This recipe is simple, flavorful and perfect for any occasion. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. Begin by adding your thoroughly washed gizzards into a clean pot. Pour in some hot water and season with salt, dried rosemary, parsley, dried thyme, ground garlic, Maggi seasoning, and seasoning cubes. Stir well to combine. Cover the pot and allow it come to a boil. Once it begins boiling, add some chopped onions. Cover again and continue cooking until the gizzard becomes soft and tender. When done, remove them from the pot and set aside. Next, we will prepare the rice. Add the white rice into a clean pot. Pour in hot water, stir, cover, and allow the rice to parboil for a few minutes. Once parboiled, take it off the heat, rinse with cold water, and return it to the pot. Now add some onions, hot chili peppers. Add in your tin tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you prefer. Add your vegetable oil. And the well-seasoned meat stock. We'll be using only meat stock for this recipe. Since the stock is already rich in flavor, there is no reason to add extra seasoning at this stage. Add the cooked gizzards. Stir thoroughly to combine. Season with salt to taste. Add a little tomato paste for color. Stir, cover, and allow the rice to cook. After a few minutes, check the rice to ensure there is enough liquid. If needed, add a little more stock. Cover and continue cooking. Once the rice is about 95% done, add some butter. Cover and allow it to steam for a few more minutes. And with that, our flavorful, no-fry gizzard jollof rice is ready to be enjoyed. It tastes absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. I truly appreciate your support. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.